Hi, welcome to Zylu. Today, let's understand why your campaigns are getting ignored. The most common mistake made here is who you are sending it to. From sending welcome offers to birthday wishes, segment your WhatsApp templates using Zylu. The key to higher engagement is reaching the right customer with right message at the right time. Now let's create a WhatsApp template for inactive customers and launch a targeted campaign using Zylu. Select the marketing section from the dashboard and click on WhatsApp templates. To create a new template, click the plus icon. Enter a name for your template and choose the category you want to target for. Next, select your preferred language and generate the message using Zap. Zap is a prompt-based AI tool which helps you create WhatsApp template. Once the message is generated, copy the message and provide the sample values for the variables used in the template. Review the template preview, then submit it for approval. Once the template is submitted, Meta typically reviews and approves it within 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it! Your WhatsApp template is ready to use for running campaigns. Now to run a campaign, go to Marketing, select Campaigns and click the plus icon. Next, choose WhatsApp as your delivery channel. Then select the category and the template we created earlier. Save it. Now comes the part where we segment the customers. Click on Filters and select Not Visited Recently. This will filter out all the inactive customers. Click on Select All to choose all your customers, then click Save and Next. Review your campaign details and once everything looks good, click Confirm and Send Campaign. That's it. Your campaign has been successfully sent. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.